Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. So in this video I'm going to draw monkey D. Luffy, and let's start drawing with the mouth because it's the most biggest and the main thing in the whole face. So if we start drawing with it, it will make the rest of features easy to draw. And also you are here watching my video, so I request you to watch till the end and also like the video too, and subscribe to my channel too if you didn't subscribe earlier. Subscribe! Draw the teeth in the mouth. And now after drawing the mouth and the teeth, let's draw the jawline. And now you can see it's super easy to draw because we drew the mouth earlier. Imagine if we actually started drawing with the jawline, it would have been difficult, right? So now after drawing the jaws, let's draw the neck too. You are still watching this video? Thank you so much. And watch till the end too. After the neck is done, let's draw the ears at the same level as mouth. And just draw these two light lines to the other ear so that they would stay equal to each other. And now after drawing the ears, let's draw the nose in the middle of the mouth, just a little above. And then to draw the eyes, let's draw the straight line in the middle of the nose. And just draw the closed eyes by drawing the semicircles like this. Like you can see, it's a semicircle. Similarly, draw the next eye. And for the eyebrows, we just need to draw a curved line. And now let's draw the hair starting from one eye and ending at the other eye. These are actually two strands. And just like this, continue drawing the hair spreading across the eye. So hairs are finally done, and now let's draw his head. It actually just looked like an oval. And now I'm using a 6B pencil, which is a dark pencil, to do the outline to make the sketch neater and darker actually. But removing the sketch and doing outline like this, it's actually not crucial. I think you can still proceed further without doing that. So our sketch is almost done in this video, and I will bring the next shading tutorial of the same sketch, so wait for it, and bye bye, take care. Watch these two videos if you want to draw Zoro or Luffy Gear 5.